Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, August the 27th, 2021, almost weekend. We have here only two regular Sudokus. And it's a Sudoku Light and a regular Sudoku Heavy. And I have a sad news for you today, because today there are no extra Sudokus, no additional. So only two regular Sudokus. What I shall do is I will continue with the puzzles of the edition of Thursday. Yes, yesterday's newspaper. I think I have four puzzles left. The 1 star, the 2 stars, the binary, and a tectonic. So the practice starts. Alright, so let's get started. Sudoku Light, this one will be number 3304, I believe. Yes, 3304. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square, we have 9 big squares in this puzzle, has 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number shall I pick? How about the 9? Yes, the 9. We see here the 9 in the last column. 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row. 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Oh, away. Then. How about the number? The number. Let me see. The number. Which number shall I pick? Yeah. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? No 5. 3 then. Yeah. 3. Yeah, the 3. We see here 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay. How about yeah. Let me see. 5. Okay. Let me start with the 8. Okay. Well, 6 could be also. Yeah. Let me do the 6. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then, I cannot continue with the 6. Well. How about the 8 then? Yeah, the 8. The 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Alright. Then that will be difficult. I cannot continue with 8. How about the 2 then? The 2. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row below. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have 2 in the last row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the row below, the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked earlier those 2 boxes with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. One in this row, one in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the one should be there. One in this column, one in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the one should be there. One in this row, one in the row below. So the last row, the only two places for the one should be here. Oh, there, we see there one, no one there, one should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Alright, I think now I can continue with the 8. Yeah, we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Yeah. 4. Yes, the 4 is missing. Then one number left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 4 and a 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One number left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 6 and the 4. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing in this big square. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing in this big square. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 1 number left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Yes, 5, 5, 5. And now 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright. A great Sudoku Light. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second regular Sudoku, a heavy Sudoku. How heavy? I do not know. We will see. Until then, bye-bye for now.